Thank you for stopping by. I'm going to share another junk journal I made, but on this particular cover, it's from two other videos. One of them was how to use just leaves from outside as just stamp pads, and then also another video that I did on faux leather. Although this isn't faux leather, I use this type of cover just to use water glycerin mix. So I'll include those both at the bottom of this video. And then I used a lot of greeting cards on this one. This front, though, is actually an embossed piece, and I used my glitter pens to color it in and kind of gave it a distressed look, so it wasn't, well, it was perfectly imperfect. So anyway, I just wanted to give it some color, and I added some brads and some ribbon. And as you may see in all my other videos, I like to add a lot of tucks and folders and everything just to add more to these pages. And then as you add more memories, this will get thicker, and that's why I put these ties so you can adjust it accordingly. But with that in mind, I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I used. This is a stamp, but I actually used different types of embossing powder, and then I did a layering look. And then this is just like a little tuck, and then you have here a place to add photos front and back. And I used a lot of my, I call it scrapbook swag, just little pieces that I have left over. I just like to do that because I don't like to throw things away. And then on this one here, I added a stamp in here. It was one of my scrapbook pieces of paper, and I like that typewriter. Here's some black canvas. And then on this side, I used a napkin. You just separate the plies, and then you just use some Mod Podge, and you just put it in there. And then this paper, which is the same paper throughout, this is just handmade paper, and you can get it on Amazon. And these cute buttons are from Facebook Marketplace, and here's some ribbon here. And I used a lot of my mom's greeting cards. She gave me all of her greeting cards, and I'm telling you, when you guys have extra greeting cards, save them, use them, add them to your journals. And this one right here, it says, "I believe in mystery and miracles and the magic of a new day." You can see that's definitely from a greeting card. Here's some folders. You can, oh, down here also, I used another napkin, just separated the plies, and then just used some Mod Podge. So you have places to add memories front and back. And then here's another folder here. And this is another greeting card. This is one I gave my mom, and it was like a 3D. So I just cut pieces out and layered it. And then this is a new die cut I got from Tuesday Morning. And this one's really nice because you don't have to punch in all the little areas, the delicate areas. So really like that. And then here's another stamp with some embossing powders. And then I used my glitter pen to color in on the butterflies. And then here's another pull-out with a place to journal. And then I do like to split paper between two pages. Not only did I do it with this as I layered across, but then I added some other similar color paper across. And here you can see that that's definitely from a greeting card. And then this is just some nice ribbon that I had laying around. Some canvas there, pieces of a greeting card. Oh, and this is fun right here. I had these trays with paint on them, and I started cleaning off the tray, and instead of just throwing it away, I put it on another piece of paper, and I just love that look. So creative. So I added that piece there. You can see different types of scrap paper. And then right here, this flower, you're going to see it in other pages. It was a very large greeting card, so love that. So I cut it out and added it in this book. And this, I just kind of just put a bunch of layouts here. Just put photos and memories, tickets. And then you can see right here some thread. So you open it on the other side, and I made a heart envelope or a little tuck with another pull out. And then up here, a place to journal. And here's another stamp with some embossing powder. And then I colored in with that glitter, or some of the glitter pens I have. And then I have this ribbon I found, and I cut pieces off so it could look like a flower. So it's so cute. And then here's just a layout with some ribbon, and across is a folder. And you can see here's some more of those flowers that I mentioned earlier. Just a piece of canvas with the brad. And this was a cool greeting card of a telephone. And then you can see right here, here's a phone. It says friendly hello. And then I cut another piece of the card over there on this side. And then down here, I just added some pages where you can write some memories. And then you can see on this side, this is actually a die cut, but this was after the die cut. So I thought, oh, that's a neat design. So I just cut around it. So you could color it in. And then you have a little tuck here. I used some black canvas here. And then here's a little folder where you can add more memories. And then you can see right here, place to journal, another flowers from a greeting card. Definitely from a greeting card. Then I had this nice scrapbook paper, so put it on opposite sides with some really pretty other scrapbook paper. Put some photos down. This is a piece of canvas. Use some brads. I used some acrylic gold paint, as you can see. And then here's another little cool layout with just some canvas and extra stuff I had laying around. Definitely from a greeting card. It says live, love, and dream. Ah, here's another flower. That must have been a really large greeting card. And just another cute flower here. And then this material I used for another book as a cover, and I had some extras, so I made this as a little tuck. And then here you can see is another folder. Put that in. Here's some canvas, another part of that ribbon I had. Here's another folder. And then here's another piece of that really cute hummingbird greeting card I gave my mom. And this is the last page. Another embossed piece I have, or paper I have. And then put it there. Fun greeting cards. But that's it. So thank you so much for stopping by. Greatly appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and add comments. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.